Hey, Tamara here, and thanks for coming to watch my video. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about this newest online biz opportunity, which is Done For You. Now, the service isn't new. It's been around for 3 years, but the affiliate program is, and it is mind-blowing. So I'm going to break it all down for you, how you can earn $50 instant and direct payments, as well as join the #1 team in the company, my team, where you can basically make monthly passive income, and this could be big. Not only that, is that we put 3 paid members under you, so it makes the service free, basically. Now, we're going to be launching August 5th, 2022 for the 3x10 Force Matrix, so that's the monthly passive income side of things, but you can start getting those $50 direct deposits or direct payments right now. I made $350 straight into my Stripe account in 1 week. Okay, I'm also going to be showing you my bonuses as well as my dashboard and how to set it all up and all that jazz. Okay. Are you ready? We'll start off with a short presentation just so you get the gist of it, and then we'll go to my dashboard and bonuses. All right, here we go. Okay, show me the money. Okay, so the beauty is basically Text ALN is the company, and the service has been around for 3 years. So the thing that's new is the affiliate program. That has kicked off already, but the official launch is August 5th. And that's when the monthly passive income by the 3x10 matrix kicks in. Right now, you can start earning $50 direct to you. So it's instant and direct payments, okay? So that's the first way that we get paid. And you can put any payment gateway you want in there. So like for mine, for example, is PayPal, Stripe, and Bitcoin. So you can put multiple ones. You can put Venmo, Cash App. I'm in Canada, so those aren't available to us. So anyone you want, or different types of crypto, Ethereum, whatever you want, okay? So it's just $50 a one-time startup fee, and that's all you pay for right now until August 5th. All right, so if you were to bring in 10 signups, so like I said, I brought in 7 in the first week, so that was $350 for me. That's going to be $500 for 10. Then obviously you bring in 100, that's $5,000. And I know that the person I signed under, who's the #1 in the company, and like the #1 team in the company, because out of the top 10, I think 5 are on our team, which is really good for us and for you, because basically you're going to get spillovers. So from the team. So even though you start at the top of your 3x10 matrix, and 10 is because it's 10 levels deep. And then green is your direct personals, and then the reds are the spillovers. Okay, so like I have my 3 people there already, so they go in, and then it just starts filling up. And this is the great thing, is that once the matrix kicks in August 5th, we put 3 paid members under you, which makes the system free for you, which is amazing. All right, and then the little reds are the spillovers. Okay, and how it's free is because you bring in 3, you get the $50 direct payment right to you, right? So that's $150. And then on the first level, you get $19 a month per person, okay? So that equals $57 a month. Add your $150, that's $207. Pretty much as soon as you join, once the matrix kicks in August 5th. I gotta keep telling you that. So if you're watching this after August 5th, this is all good to go. Okay, so the second way we get paid is through the 3x10 matrix. Okay, so see the first level, $57 from 3 people, and then it kind of goes down. So, and this is per person. So there's 9 people in that, so that'd be $45, right? And then it goes all the way down. Can you imagine, like, what? $236,196 a month? Cray cray. So obviously you need to get through the rookie level before you get to pro and then to pro plus. Okay. And even like, so say that you have like 5 people under here. Well, then you'd add 5 times 5, 25 plus your 57. Okay. So you don't have to fill these up to get the amount. I'm a little bit ahead of schedule because I'm so excited. I mean, that's just ridiculous, eh? Okay, so yeah, if you bring in 10 people, that's $500 cash right into your account, plus those 3 times $19 a month, plus 7 times 5, so that's $592 a month. Well, in your first month, because you're getting the 500. So if you bring in 10 a month, say, for example, then that's what it would come to. Okay, so now this is the fun time when you get these spillovers from the team. And like I said, on our team are like some of the top affiliate marketers around, right? So we're bringing in thousands of people every week. So you'll definitely get spillovers. Okay, and then these are your personals. So this what could happen, you know, when you first join, once the matrix kicks in, you can bring a spillover in, right? And your top 3. And then it just goes until basically we get all these guys filled up. You work, you know, independently because you're the top, but we work together as a whole team as well. Okay, all filled. So yeah, down 10 levels. So to get to the rank of pro, you need to have at least 5 personal people that you brought in yourself, and then 20 in your matrix. Now, I mean, once you have this many people on your team, you're going to definitely have at least 5. And then you'd be on $14.58 a month. Remember, this doesn't include the instant $50, okay? And then to get to like Pro Plus rank, you need to have 24 personals and 100 people in your matrix. Again, you have that many people. Of course, you're going to have that, okay? And then you'll be on $59,000 a month. And when it's totally filled, $236,000 a month. What? This is huge. That's why this is like literally Text ALN is the biggest, baddest kind of new affiliate program out there right now. Okay, so the total price is, like I said, the $50 one direct straight to your sponsor. So you get that instantly and directly. And then from August 5th, once the matrix kicks in, it's $59 monthly. So in total, $109 to start. But you don't pay this $59 monthly until August 5th. So right now, it's just $50 and you can lock in your spot in the matrix. So the $59 monthly includes, you get a toll-free number, you get 500 monthly credits, which means you can text. So basically, it's an automated texting service. So say, for example, you have, you know, Facebook post or you're doing Google ads or something like that. And then on your ad, it'll say, text this toll-free number and your keyword. So say you put info. So text info at this number for more information, right? So they text, and then these automatic text messages, like autoresponder, will go out to those people who texted you for info. So it's pretty sweet. And like I said, you can use these credits for any business. So if you have an online business, so if you have a local business, say that you're, I don't know, a plumber in Toronto, Canada, well, you can still use those for your own business, okay? You can use this service. It's not just for Text ALN. Obviously, you can use it to build up your team on the affiliate side of things, but you don't have to, okay? So it's very versatile. You also get a marketing platform, and of course, you lock in your spot on the Mate at those monthly commissions. So this is what your dashboard will look like, and these are the marketing pages. So there's one more, and there's more coming, okay? Pick your landing page, and if you want to capture their email address, but you don't write any emails, then you would use this one. And then the system automatically sends up email follow-ups with your Text ALN link in it. So after they opt in, I directly here. So that's what I'm saying. It's kind of a done for you business, right? So you don't have to build any of these. You do not have to write emails if you don't want to. It's all done for you. All you have to do is send traffic, which is people, to one of these pages. And in my bonuses, I have a whole page of traffic sources you can use. Plus there are some in here too. Okay, so you can test them. You can, try different ones. And like I said, there's 4. You'll see when I show you my back office. Okay, so this is the one I tend to use right after you put your email in. Then they're sent to this page, which is great because these 2 videos breaks down everything pretty easy. And I said, this is the one you if you want them to send the emails on your behalf. Okay, so the actual product, like the service, is you text in your keyword. So like I said, you can pick whatever keyword you want. You can have many keywords. And then you just say, for info and then your number. And then we also, so it's completely legit if they want to stop. Remember, we're not spamming people. They're texting us. Okay. Hit stop to cancel anytime. A couple of that are also done for you, SMS messages that will be on a drip feed. So like this is the first one. So you can set this for like 6 hours later or the next day or whatever. And then you have a second one, third, you can have as many as you want. Doesn't matter, okay? So this is inside the texting service product. So you can see how many contacts you have, so that how many people have texted you to say they wanted info, and then how many keywords you want to have. Like I said, you can have as you want, and then how many people who opted in to those landing pages that are done for you. And there's your inbox, so you can see exactly who has messaged you. And so these are the tools. So you have QR code generator, which is cool. There's text to win. You can create a flyer, widget as well, pop-up form builder, so you can literally build your own landing pages if you want. And then also in the back office, there's lots of training for Craigslist, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And no, it's not a scam. As I said, the text messaging service, so Text ALN, the service has been around for 3 years. It's very profitable. The owner, Dustin, just has been working on this new affiliate program, the $50 and the Matrix, for about 6 months, and it's about ready to launch August 5th. Money on tap. All right, so now we're gonna go into my dashboard so you can have a look live and how much I've made and all that jazz. All right. Okay, so this is inside my dashboard, and as I showed you, I've made $350 in 7 days. This is how many people who have seen my landing page in the past 24 hours. Okay, so basically, if you decide to join this kick-ass biz op, then you join for free kind of thing, and then in here it'll say pay your sponsor $50, and then I'll have my 3 options. And then once you pay, I have to manually approve you. So make sure you reply to one of my emails and just say, yep, I've paid. If preferably, with your however way you paid, like a receipt. And then I approve you, and then you'll have your dashboard looking like this. Okay. As I was showing, these are the marketing pages. So yeah, so look, it has whatever you choose your username to be, that link will be in there. Okay, so as I said, there's now 4 of those. And then what you want to do is just copy that, right? And copy and paste it. But like I said, if you want the emails to be sent out for you on your behalf, then you use this one. And then obviously the first thing you really want to do is do your profile, but then payment setup. Okay, so I suggest to do it manually because then you can put in whatever payment gateways you want. And there's training under here because basically you can use this code. So right here, you want to watch this video and use this code so you make your payment page look pretty. And you can also add in the payment options you want to use. Like I said, PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, Venmo, Cash App, all that stuff. Okay. So all your tutorials are here. Craigslist. You can do giveaways. So text to win features, which is cool. This is just new, actually. First time I've seen this. So this is how you can use those, your 500 credits as well, right? Fill out your profile and then your payment setup. Do these things first, and then marketing pages. And then traffic, we have like solo ads, YouTube ads, Facebook, autoresponders. So this is where you can see the emails, which already have your info in there. Okay, but what you can also do is just open them like click on here and then copy and paste if you have your own email autoresponder. So you can do that. But this is, you don't have to do any of that. And this will just go out automatically if you use that. See, new stuff's being added all the time. So here are some more opt-in messages. And then this is where you can see your team. Okay, so you can see it like this, or you can also the graphical. So you can see where people are positioned. Now, you won't see any spillovers yet because the matrix hasn't kicked in yet. Okay, so all these people, so look, like they brought in 2, they brought in 1, they brought in 2, which is awesome. Great start because they just joined a few days ago as well. There's news, and then you can see the leaderboard. I was up to number 5 on last week's leaderboard. Oh, and I just dropped out. I was on 8 yesterday. Okay, so I need to get back on this. But when this one here, the last, this is like, yeah, she's on our team. He's the owner. He's on our team. He's on our team. She's on our team. And I think he is too. So like literally have about 5 of the top people on our team, which is awesome for spillovers. And then you can see your earnings. Okay. So I think that is about it. And then last but not least, of course, is my bonuses. You're going to, once you become a paid member, so this one's kind of for because I have my own email list and my own autoresponder and Builderall. So I have this page's link is in all my emails, so they can grab their free gifts right here. Okay, and then they can also join here and also all my traffic sources. Now, once you become a paid member, I send you over a copy of this page, but with all these links active and all my personal info removed. So it's more like a paid team members bonus page. So you get to use all my bonuses for free. I give you a copy of this page. So basically now you have done for you landing pages, done for you emails, done for you bonuses. Okay. All right. And you can even join my free affiliate marketing course as well. Okay. So I think that is a wrap. I'm super excited about this opportunity. And if I'm your sponsor, then obviously join with me. Click the link below. Or if this is on one of my, my team members, please get back to them and join under them. Okay, have yourself an awesome day. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell because I will be putting out new videos all the time with new updates for all the done for you online businesses I am doing with affiliate marketing. Okay, have a great day. Cheers.